Hi guys, here is how you can improve your Photoshop performance if it is lagging too much. Now I've already opened my Photoshop. I'm using the Photoshop 2024 with this release, but this method should work on older versions of Photoshop too. Anyway, to improve the performance, go to Edit, scroll down at the bottom and click on Preferences and click on General. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+K. Now in General, if these options are ticked, you can simply untick them all. I will also untick this one. And now go to Performance. By default, 70% of your RAM is allocated to Photoshop. If you only use Photoshop at a time, then you can increase this to 80 to 85%. Please note, if you use other applications along with Photoshop, then please keep it maximum to 80%. But if you are only using Photoshop, then you can increase it to 85 to max 90%. We recommend it to be below 85%. After this is done, click on OK, and now you should see some performance improvement on your Photoshop. Thank you very much.